How can the money from your stimulus check improve your salsa dancing? Well, stay tuned for some ideas. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for the latest innovative videos from Salsa Goals. So, you're going to receive a $1,400 stimulus payment. Well, if so, you probably already know what to do with the money, especially when it comes to the most important things. But once you've taken care of that, what can you do with the money that's left over? That's a great question. So here are some answers. In fact, here are 4 ideas, starting with idea number 1. One of the most important things that a salsa enthusiast can invest in is a strong foundation for salsa music and dancing. And while it is possible to try and learn on your own, there is no substitute for a great dance instructor. When it comes to New York style salsa on two amazing instructors are Joel Dominguez and Maria Palmieri. They have great online salsa dancing classes and specialty courses, like the outstanding Salsa Bootcamp online course. Because if you're just a baby to the world of salsa, then this easy-to-follow course will help you build your salsa dancing foundation from the ground up with a simple step-by-step program that will give you everything you need so you can be ready for the dance floor. And even if you already are an experienced salsa dancer, this course is an excellent way to review and master your fundamental salsa moves. So if you're really serious about improving your salsa dancing, then for only $67, this is hands down one of the very best investments you can make. And for more information on the Salsa Bootcamp online course, check out the link in the description of this video. Now, it is true that public social dancing is temporarily on hold due to the COVID-19 pandemic, but it will be back. And when that happens, it's a good idea to be ready. And this leads us to idea number 2. Why not invest in one of the most important pieces of equipment for a serious salsa dancer? What equipment is that? Well, it's the shoes. Good salsa shoes have soles on the bottom that don't grip the floor tightly like other types of shoes do. And this will help you execute turns and spins on the dance floor without injuring your ankles, knees, or hips in the process. Therefore, good salsa shoes are really important. And when it comes to salsa shoes, one of the most respected names out there is G. Franco. With great options for men and women, salsa shoes from G. Franco are an excellent investment. So check out the link in the video description for more information. And if you're looking for a more casual look, check out shoes from Fuego. This hot new dance sneaker is taking the salsa world by storm. Many salsa shoes have soles made out of suede, and therefore they should only be worn on the dance floor. But thanks to their innovative and flexible design, you can wear Fuego shoes both on the street and on the dance floor without any need to change in between. So check out the link in the video description below for more information on Fuego shoes, including a special discount. So there you have 2 ideas for possible ways to stimulate your salsa dancing with some of that stimulus check money. But remember that salsa isn't just about dancing, because it all starts with the music. And getting more in touch with the music will definitely make you a better dancer. So that leads us to idea number 3. Why not use your free time to learn how to play an instrument used in salsa music? And since a salsa music ensemble uses many instruments, you have a lot to choose from. Of course, the instrument that you ultimately choose to learn is up to you. But as a suggestion, one of the most fundamental percussion patterns which can affect the timing of your dancing is the conga tumbao rhythm. So learning how to play this and other conga percussion patterns can really help you improve your connection with the rhythm. And a great place to start is with conga drums from the company Latin Percussion, also known as LP. So check out the links in the video description for more details. And finally, here's idea number 4. Learn how to become a salsa DJ. After all, let's show some love to the salsa DJs, because they're the ones that keep us out on the dance floor, and they help us discover great songs for our salsa playlists. So if you've ever thought about learning how to DJ, then make sure you have a good quality laptop first. And if you don't already have a reliable laptop, then check out the links in the description for some solid recommendations. But if you already do have a laptop, then you'll need at least 2 things to get started. 1, a good DJ controller, such as the Pioneer DJ DDJ WEGO 4K portable DJ controller. And 2, a great DJ software program, like the DJ Pro 2 program from the company Algoriddim. So check out the links in the video description for more information on those 2 items. And that's just the beginning. The music is up to you. And when it comes to the music, as some DJs will tell you, there's nothing like vinyl. So there you have it, 4 ways to use the stimulus check to improve your foundation for salsa music and dancing. So if you are able to invest in your salsa dancing foundation, then by all means, go for it. That's it for now, but Salsa Goals will be back with brand new videos that tackle the subject of musicality. So get ready for that coming up soon. And until then, stay safe, stay connected to the music, and keep dancing salsa.